This no mom. Watch this no mommy, right?
Yeah.
You see, the girl come out and she shows scars.
You ain't gotta worry about it no more. I'm off you. When it comes to you, it's always some pain or betrayal that's all through. I be looking at you now like, damn, I don't even know you. The way you be moving is just some shit you don't do. I don't know how you had me. You was never supposed to. To continuously stab me, you had more chances than most do. I tried to change you, but I couldn't control you. They say you can't change what you can't control, so I gotta let go of you. Let go of the thought of you. Memories and photos, man, I see a lot of you. You break my heart every time. You stab my back with a knife and come through my heart, worst pain of my life. The feeling of betrayal hurts worse than a heartbreak. And it's always you that's making my heart ache. I gotta thank God for giving me a new vision of you, a new lens. I told God I can handle my enemies. Just protect me from my friends. You ain't gotta worry about it no more, I'm off you. When you cross me, you cross yourself. So how does it feel?
Yeah.
Understand that? Remember saying, you see, yesterday when we talk about this, persons come up in the box and persons in the comment section and I talk about the abuse where them go through. So when she come from the internet and she has show for her scars, what you expect?
No, people is
Them
gonna
something
talk.
traumatizing to
People
women.
is
Some
gonna
say
talk.
woman
Of
really
course,
and
people
truly
is
are go
gonna
through
talk.
abuse.
People are gonna talk, but when me I say, what I am saying is, you put it out that you are
Photography go suck your mother when you
that
do over here.
run to Jamaica.
Mother
How
later
do
on
you
now
end
work,
up
you
in
know,
his
on now
house in
work.
October?
Lisa, I don't know. Oh, you know, mad me, I
Just
know,
say
you
in
know.
them comment and I say, oh, you get too much fuck weekend. Come on, come on. Yeah, in them comment, I no need to go look for the people them page. Look for the page with all I comment them when she come under. You're scared of him or you under him TikTok something a comment.
Forever.
His wife and
Forever.
whatever. Come on, man.
Forever. Let me ask you a
You make
question.
things
Mother
make
to mother.
sense.
Mother later on turn
Forever.
on
Me
the
pick up
comment
my
and
pity. Me
just
not pick
block
up
the
for my
people
son, you
then,
know.
please.
But at least the justice where Joe. You're going to
Forever.
abuse and
Hold
whatever.
on.
And when you're
Hold,
done, you're done to grind the whole of October. I
Oh,
reach all the
Jesus.
way in him house. Where you
No,
alone live.
forever, man. Forever, yeah, this
me
a
so
time now, man.
forever. How we reach this? So
Alright,
forever.
you
Me
Yeah,
what?
ask
this
you
a
a
time,
question.
Me
man.
come here telling you everything. You what? Take me down. I'm sending a picture.
But if she's getting
Take me down. Go
abused,
step me
she
down.
still
Forever.
go talk back to
You
you
ever
over
make
and
tell
Take
your
me
over.
son
down,
So
to go
please.
you
see
need
Take me
to
down.
talk to your son.
Take me
You
down,
need
cause
to
right
talk
now
to
me
your
I get
son.
really angry. Cause me
me
never know
angry
so
more
people
you
can take up
forever.
people
Me take
picnic
her down.
and this and that.
You support your son for abuse and it no matter
Cause
how
true,
Yeah,
toxic.
true,
me
and
not
them
like
take
how
them
you
up.
talk,
Them
mommy. You
put
have
a
to make we
on
read
them
it
and
for
do
the
what they
mutual
want with them.
understanding.
Like they tend to bring it on the media. So how are this? Check the date. Look, how this here? I want who this. Does this face look familiar? I want who this. Hey? Who and who this? Since I'm such a monster, what were you doing here? Oh, you never further your life them time, eh? Okay, let me show you one next thing again. Cause I come with date, you know. I come with date. So show you something now. I just feel like something I'm telling a lie on you. Check the date right there, so. What that say? October 2022. How old is yourself? When I say give me a kiss, give me a kiss. So you just gonna let me leave, give me a kiss, let me give you a goodbye. How old is yourself? How old is? When I say give me a kiss, are you just gonna make me leave? How old is? Girl, me not getting no more. I like, go on. God go with them, mama. You can't break me. Remember, you never made me. Relationship and you put your hand on me. I'm walk out sometime, I'm realize it. No man, every walk I walk out, it come like I get more into this putting hand. So listen, me I tell you the truth, I'm not come pretty up nothing. You put your hand on me, I'm a ras your back. Yes, me ras your back. Me not go come and say no, me not lick you. Me ras your back and you put your hand on me. You know my mother fam. Me walk out several times, bro. My mother alone could have called me a friend by myself. Me not nobody to turn to, you know that. You know this. Nobody to turn to but you. And you use that over my head several times. Several times. Oh, remember, come on. Oh, pack up your things. Pack up your things. Go on, go. When me not have nowhere to go. I did not have a house. I did not have nobody to call and say, yo, me come in your yard. And you tell me several times, pack up your things, pack up your things. And every time I pack up my things, I'm going to catch somewhere. This is you. Come and work things out. We can work this out. And even the second time, the first time, and the third time, I got locked up. Constantly, every charge I'm gonna get, if I'm such a monster, why did you come and drop every charge, regardless of me telling you on the phone to touch? Listen, if you want to drop it, you drop it. If you don't want it, if I am such a big monster and you want to get rid of it, the second time, the third time you lock me up, I say to you, say, yo, listen, I don't do this no more with you, no. No more, you know. The third time you lock me up and I say to you, I say, listen, I am not doing this no more with you, no. You turn to me and you say, listen, alright, you're not doing no more, I give up a lease. Remember, I'm not in the house for going on. I'm not in a body where I can send me to live with. You tell me, say, I give up a lease. And my mother, I call. I say, mommy, you're not a friend up here where I can stay with till I get on my foot. You have a girl up here, so in a Pensacola. Stranger girl. I'm gonna call her name because she don't want in this. She said, come stay with me. Work for yourself and stay with me. We not grind. We never bring no sex talk into each other. More than this is just a person who just see me and say, you know what? Come. Let me help you, youth. Days and weeks I sleep on that. I come on TikTok. And every single dollar, if I make $5 and somebody asks me if I have money, I say no. Because I save it. I'm going to put all of that in a disc because a disc me the want. When we get this apartment, the first day I call me and say to me, say, oh, you get it? How will sign up that for you? And I turn to you and I say, listen, a God. Mankind is not God. Let God work. That's all I say to you. You say, oh, wish you all the best in there. That's how you say to me. You say, wish me all the best in there. I turn to you and say, yeah man, I go and take my time and figure it out, man. Bro, the team help me. I will put everything together. You mentioned Ash, you mentioned Nella, you mentioned Ray. Them three people are people who support me more than you. Them people are people who believe in me more than you. So what you say? No, you know why now you choose to do this? Because now my name is Dummy, aka Dante. So you choose to do this now. When you could have do it the first year, the second year, the third year, why you choose to do it now? Because you reached out to me and I said, listen, I don't want to live with you. I am not going to live with you. I will support you from afar. But just for my sake, I am not living back with you. You was just at my house. You were just at my house. If I am such a monster that you are putting on this image that I am an animal and I am this and I am that, what were you doing at my house? Wasn't you scared for your life? She have one castic something she have posed up as a send her castic. It was a thing where we was having a conversation on the phone. I mean about who a fuck on who. And she sent me one video. She sent me one picture with a man, a fuck on a woman. And it was all joke in that moment. So I replied to her and said, no, pick one castic where you like. I mean, I'm sure I need message now too. Because I never know it's a relationship now in a deal with half the year no more. So this is what she sent me. This is what she sent me from the phone. Right? This is what she sent me. And it was all joke in the moment too. But she sent me this. And then I reply and say, what color? Which color you want? Then he go. Next topic. Alright. Yeah, my reply to that was this. Them have all. Alright. My reply to her was them have all the color we want. Remember? This is when my wife has sent me and we are text as joke and them something. I now made say this idea would have come. But anyway, back to this. Start make it look like say me beat you and me this. The same video where you put in at the editing tash. The same video where you put in at the editing with your finger. Girl, I cook, yeah, cook. Girl, yeah, cook. Yeah, cook in our kitchen. Cook, yeah. Yo, me say that girl a wicked, bro. Me say that girl a wicked, she wicked. She don't know how more for be wicked. You're wicked till I don't know how more if you be wicked, fam. I'm just watch yourself. I'm gonna watch yourself because all you do it for attention, highlight, and sorry for. All because me say to you, say, listen, you know, me no want you road me no more because every time you're around me, bro, at 3 times that the next time you know you're gonna make me go back to when me have to go start over again. And instead of start, I see when me talk to you before I say when me talk now. Me say instead of start over back, me rather get rid of when me have a destroy when me have a go on for me right now, than starting back from square one.
The time then when you go jail, I'ma make sure say you know staying at that and court case get convicted or none of that. I'ma make sure say you're up on jail call with your mother them and your people them so them can hear from you and know say you're good all of the time them. All when you I'll top up your books them every single time and your phone calls something of them every single time. And walk and source money for your bill. Remember the first bill we did that crew my $15,000, you know. And then you get reduced to $5,000. I'ma source that fucking money for bill, yeah. And then sign bond surety some agreement with the release company for make it come out. Put my name on the line and you want to take me to court because they don't have a strong back.
A trip to a river with friends weeks ago took a deadly turn that left ex-soldier Joseph Smith now in a coma in need of life-saving surgery available in the USA.
We're here today because my son Joseph Smith went on a trip with his friend to Alligator Pond River to have a swim. He went diving and he went on a tree and dive off in the water. Somehow, there were some objects in the water that he was not aware of. And he licked his head on it and broke his neck.
It was a little girl who took note of his floating body and alerted adults who ignored it, saying he was just floating. Later, a teenager fished him from the river and alerted adults again, most of whom simply filmed the ordeal. No one offered CPR until his cronies were alerted by the crowd and sprung into action. The CPR revived him and they rushed to the Mandeville Hospital, where he'd undergo multiple heart attacks.
5 minutes after, he had another cardiac arrest. They did the same thing and revived him. And from then, he's on life supporting machine to sustain him, to stabilize him. He need a urgent surgery to correct the broken neck. His neck was broken. The doctor said his C6 and C7 spinal vertebrae is fractured, and it is squeezing on the nerves that preventing his feet and his hands from moving.
Now, unable to breathe without the life support, doctors fear his chances of survival will drop increasingly with each passing day.
We are in discussion with some hospitals in America, in Miami, Jackson's hospital. They are willing to take his case, but we had a financial responsibility for the church and for the surgery.
What's that responsibility like? How much money are we talking about?
They give it a quotation of about 200,000
US dollars?
Yes, 200,000 US dollars for the surgery.
Does the family have that amount of money?
No, we do not have no such funds to facilitate.
This is their plea for the son who only weeks ago, before his own demise, risked his life at a beach to save a drowning man.
I'm appealing to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness, the Minister of Health, Mr. Tufton, and the public sector, and all well-wishing Jamaican citizens, and various foundations that are in Jamaica. I'm appealing to you, if you can come to our assistance to help save Joseph Smith's life. He is a wonderful young man. He's an ex-soldier. He's very kind and considerate. And he's very helpful. You cannot ask him to do anything and he do not find the time to help you.
He's currently at the Mandeville Hospital. You can contribute using GoFundMe account, support Joseph Smith Fight for Recovery, or through Scotiabank Savings Account 653814, the Mandeville branch, account name Donovan Smith.